Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting video. Here we are going to show you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. Let's have a look here. We have to do this in this manner and make these sunflowers look like this. Now let's have a look. You just have to get the colorful sheet, then just fold them and get the creases and folds in a pattern like this. In the middle, you have to get the rubber band attached and then you have to make the shape like this. Now attach all of them together and get a beautiful lovely stick pasted in the middle, and this is yet cute and amazing. Now here you have to get a plastic cup, then make the cheeks and all and then the eyes. Then you have to get the ears and your cute bunny rabbit is ready. Just cut them up and fold them together in this manner. Now get the beautiful lovely stick attached and then you can just play with it. Amazing, right? Further here, get this sheet. You have to get the cuts like this in the sheet. Now get the curls made in this form. Now you have to just roll them together in this manner. Now get the sheet. You have to get the flowers of this form. Just attach them together over it and get a handle made. Pretty amazing. Now here you have to get the clay. Now get them beautifully arranged in this manner. Further what we have to do, you have to get the lines, attach them in this way, and then you have to just place all the flowers over it and get a bow pasted. This is amazing. Now here you have to get the clay. With the help of fork, you need to just spread it further in this manner and get the patterns like this. Now here you have to get them made into this form and your angry birds are ready. Amazing, right? You can just decorate the scenery further. Now here also you have to get the sheet, just fold them up in this manner, and here also from the corners you need to get the folds in this way. Now here what we have to do, just get them attached and get a beautiful carrot made out of it. You have to make the eyes and all, and these are looking so adorable, isn't it? Now here you have to get a clay ball. You have to just make the round shape, and now you have to get them shape. Further you just have to get them flat. With the help of your fingers you need to press, and now just get the shapes like this and spread it all over the other. You have to just make the rose patterns in this manner. Just make the curls and all and make a beautiful lovely rose ready. Amazing, isn't it? Now here what we have to do, you have to get the sheet. With the help of these markers and all, you just have to get them made. Now further you have to get this beautiful snail made in this form, and this is gonna look pretty cool. Now here also get the sheet, just get them folded from the corners, from the sides, and further you have from the middle you have to get the beautifully attached sheet like this. Now here what we have to do, you just have to get them attached and further you have to just make it in this form, and here you have to get the ears made in this manner. Now just roll them up and this is gonna look amazing. Now here you just have to get the structure, this plastic cup, and then just get the cuts and fold, and you have to arrange it in this pattern. Further you have to just color them up and this is gonna look amazing. Now here get the clay. You have to just paste them one over the other in a string like this. Now cut it half between and then you have to just paste the balls and all, and your rainbow scenery is ready. Thank you.